Some cash-paying games advertise instant withdrawals, but instant usually depends on the EAPS payout method, your account, and whether your withdrawal has been approved. By the end, you'll know which 5 types of games to look for, how the Cash App payout process usually works, and what to check before you play. Number 5. Solitaire games. Where? In Solitaire cash games are built around a familiar card format, with some apps offering tournaments or skill-based competitions for cash prizes. The important detail is the withdrawal method. If an app pays through PayPal rather than Cash App, you may need to move the money separately. Before playing, open the withdrawal page and check whether Cash App is actually supported. Number 4. Bingo games. Cash bingo apps can offer free games, paid tournaments, or promotional rewards. Some platforms allow withdrawals after you reach their stated minimum, while others use different reward systems. If you specifically want fast cash, prioritize apps that clearly explain their withdrawal process instead of relying on an advertisement promising instant money. Number 3. Pool games. Pool apps can use head-to-head matches where players compete based on their performance. Some platforms offer cash tournaments, while others use virtual currency or rewards that cannot be withdrawn as cash. Check the rules before entering a match, especially if the game requires an entry fee. Number 2. Puzzle and word games. Word number, matching, and strategy games can use skill-based competitions with cash prizes. These games can be useful if you prefer short rounds rather than traditional casino-style games. Look for a clearly stated cash-out option and verify the payment method before spending time completing challenges. Number 1. Multi-game reward apps. Multi-game platforms give you several ways to earn rewards from one account. You might find solitaire, puzzle, arcade, or other game categories inside the same app. This is useful because you can switch games instead of relying on one title. For fast withdrawals, the most important features are a clearly listed cash-out method, transparent eligibility requirements, and a withdrawal process you can understand before depositing money. One more thing. No legitimate app can guarantee that every withdrawal will reach Cash App immediately. Processing can depend on the platform and payment provider, so treat instant cash as a feature to verify, not a guarantee. The best approach is to test the withdrawal process with a small amount first. Confirm the payout method, minimum cash-out requirement, and account verification rules before putting more time or money into the game. If you want more rankings of apps that can actually pay real money, like the video and subscribe.